What if I told you yawning is your brain's way of staying cool? Yawning isn't about boredom, it's about brain power. Scientists once thought it was about getting more oxygen, but that's not the real reason. Yawning is actually your brain's way of cooling down, like a built-in AC unit. When your brain heats up from thinking or stress, a yawn pulls in cooler air, stretches your face muscles, and helps you focus again. And if you just yawned, that's empathy in action, your brain mirroring someone else's. Even dogs can catch yawns from humans. So the next time you yawn, remember you're cooling your brain and bonding. Share this and see who yawns next.